The matrix will start breaking down and obstacles and problems will soon be a thing of the past. Your problems won't be as grand as you think, and they'll start to become smaller and smaller in your world.
Wait a minute!
Love, lift, life. We touch into your mind, body, and soul.
Sorry I lied to you, Martin. I just didn't want to go to Arizona.
I'm sorry I lied to you, Martin. I just didn't want to go to Arizona.
What up, what up, what up, my people? Dreamwise here for another one. Invoking the God Ganesha. Ganesha is one of the most popular Hindu gods. You won't miss Ganesha as he is depicted as an elephant or with an elephant head. His energy stream is correlated with remover of obstacles or opening up the way. We all have these distractions in our life that can plague or slow down our spiritual growth and spiritual plight. After invoking the God Ganesha, you'll start having subtle changes in your reality. The matrix will start breaking down and obstacles and problems will soon be a thing of the past. Your problems won't be as grand as you think, and they'll start to become smaller and smaller in your world.
Wait a minute!
When invoking these deities, you're opening up parts of your subconscious mind to give you answers to your questions. These subtle shifts in your reality are what's making you a chaos being. That part of you that knows is enlivened and is ready to give you the answers to your questions. When invoking the God Ganesha, you're tapping into that aspect of your subconscious mind, spirit, that will clear out a path for you and your spiritual journey. Another great thing to do is evoke the God Ganesha. Bringing Ganesha out to play and in your home or your presence. For example, I can't stand traffic. And staying stuck in traffic? Not for me. I did the proper ritual work and hung a Ganesha pendant on my rearview mirror. Now, this energy stream opens up the way and I don't see traffic. Don't know what it is in my reality. Ganesha clears the path for me and I'm never caught in traffic. And when I say never, I mean never in traffic. When I invoke the God Ganesha, problems seems to fall by the wayside and got smaller and smaller. Obstacles in my mundane life and in my spiritual plight were easily solved or disappeared. No more waking up in the middle of the night, running to the restroom, taking me out of my dream state. No more meditations with the whole family right next to me. Ridding myself of these worries and concerns of how I'm going to pay the light bill. Remember, these gods are light, and for every deity invoked, you're hitting a light switch in your dark underground room. Subconscious mind. Invoking the God Ganesha, removing these obstacles will propel your spiritual journey and help aid you in these worries or struggles of the day.
Stop right there, criminal scum!
Dream wise.